So the next problem that we're gonna solve is to find the average stock per author per library for books published in the last 5 years. Include authors and libraries even if their average stock is zero. So first we're gonna do is select the first name of the author as author first name. First name. And then we select the author's last name as author last name. Then after that, we select the library name, L.library name. So after that, we calculate the the average stock of books for each author per library. We use the QUALIS function to return zero if the average stock is null. In case nga walay books nga ma-found sa kanang 5 years per author and per library. We use average to calculate the average stock and the case statement. So, ano siya? Call this average ABG case diagram statement. Um, when year per date, karon nga date, mo na ito gamiton. Year, PD, book details, publication, date. Kaya naman dito ang table na publication, ay naman dito ang column name ng publication date. So, lesser or equal to equals to 5. Since 5 years man nato gipangita. So, then, PD, stock, else, none. If walay makita mo, average stock, is none, 0. Then, and na to siya. 0 ang mubutang dapat. As average stock. And after that, dila dayon ta from kung asa gikan table from author. Ini cross join dayon nato ang library to combine every author with every library to ensure na all authors and libraries are included even if they don't have books in common. So we write cross join library L. And then ay, oh, ano lang na. And then we will use left join so that i-left join na to ang book details with the author and library tables so that malink siya each book with the corresponding author and library. We'll also apply the condition that the book's author must match the author's ID and the library's ID must match the book's library ID. So we write left join book details ID, book details lang, PD on a dot author ID. PD dot author ID. Okay. And then, after that, muna siya, i-group na natin siya. We group the data by author ID, library ID, author's first and last name, and library name to calculate the average stock per author per library. So group by A dot author ID, L dot library ID, and then first name, A dot first name, A dot last name, L dot library name. So finally, we will sort the results by author's last name, then first name, and then by library name. So, use tag order by para i-order natin sila. Like, author's author last name, tapos then first name dayon sa author. First name. Next is the library name. Then, that's it. Wait, the average stock dapat. Ha? Ano, na naman siya. Library name. So, I try. Yeah, nice. Something wrong here. Hmm. So, so, try na to. Here, makita ninyo nga zero tanan. It's because walay library, I mean, walay books or authors or books na na-published in the last 5 years. Mana siya. Zero, almost. Tanan. And then, if we create view na din ka, create view, para sa kunyagi, ito na to i-create, i-name and create. Um, create view, create view, author, library, average, stock view, as. Natuwa na siya. Then, if we mag-go pa, wala na to na ano. Select sa na to for the create procedure later. Here, here, here. Kita na to. Here, makita na to siya. Then, next is mag-create ng tao procedure. So, copy-paste na matutong atong mo ganiha. And then, emitter, create procedure, get, well, author, library, average, stock. How ba? Begin. Here, and the limiter. Here, makita na nato ang procedures and views also. I-execute na to. Yeah. Tarjak here, here tag as kayo. There are also only 5. There are 10. 10, 10, 5 also. So that's it for the second problem. Thank you.